So this is how you unbox the Garmin Vivosmart 5 and set it up with the Garmin Connect app on your Android phone. This is a Garmin Vivosmart 5. It is a smart fitness tracker that comes with 2 years of warranty. We're going to unbox this and set it up for use. So these are the items in box. You've got some Garmin stickers, you've got the quick start manual, the fitness tracker, a charging cable, and a GarminConnect.com. And this, if you flip it over, you can see that you can simply connect your Garmin device using Garmin Connect app on your Android phone. Next, we will set up the Vivosmart 5 and get it paired with your Android phone. So let's peel off the sticker. So this is the first screen you see once you peel off the sticker. If the Vivosmart 5 is powered off, simply press on the button to power on. So let's select the language. You can scroll for other languages, but we'll select English. We need to download the Garmin Connect app. On our Android phone, you can go to Play Store to download the app if you do not have the app on your phone. Let's start up Garmin Connect. So it's currently connected to our Vivo Move HR smartwatch. Tap on the menu on the top left hand corner. Select Garmin devices. Let's add device. For location permission, is currently set to allow only while using the app. We'll select not now. It has found our Vivosmart 5. Let's connect. Bluetooth pairing request. Key in the pin that is displayed on the Vivosmart 5. Select pair. We'll make this our preferred tracker. Let's go to next. So we will not want to receive any notifications between these times. Select no. Go to next. We'll wear it on our right wrist. Go to next. We can choose up to 10 activities, and these are the activities that the Vivosmart 5 can track. Go to next. We'll skip the goal setting. Let's sync our device. So we are all set. So this is how you unbox the Garmin Vivosmart 5 and set it up with the Garmin Connect app on your Android phone.